graduate. Let's get it. I'm ready. Ready.
You about ready to head out?
Yep.
Who are you going with again?
Just K.
All right, you guys going straight over there?
Yeah.
Sure you're ready for this?
Positive.
You better be.
Yep.
I'm excited. You know how long I've been waiting for this?
Long time.
Very long time.
18 years.
Yes, you're out the door. I cannot wait.
Yep.
All right. You're going with Josh K?
Yes.
All right. Well, I'll see you when you get over there.
All right.
Be safe. Love you.
Love you too.
All right. We'll be over there in a minute.
All right.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye.
No! Okay, I'm sorry.
Okay. I gotta go.
Okay, Brittany.
Okay.
Love you.
Love you.
Love you.
I am so proud of you, baby. Oh my
Okay.
God,
Thank
I love you. Bye. Oh, hey.
Oh, thank you.
Bye.
Okay.
Bye, Betty. Oh, jeez.
Hey man, get off your phone. You shouldn't be doing that.
Bro, I gotta keep changing the song. Bro, you know we gotta turn up.
No, bro, we're gonna crash.
No, we're not.
Oh my god, Faith, look at this picture. Oh my gosh, that's so cute.
Faith, you really need to be looking out. Faith!
Oh my god!
Fine.
Bro, watch out!
Oh my God!
Engine 4, Engine 11 for extrication, Medic 5, District 2, 3411 North Alpine at Lutheran High School. 2-vehicle accident. Multiple victims. Engine 4, Engine 11 for extrication with Medic 5 and District 2, 3411 North Alpine, Lutheran High School. 2-vehicle accident, multiple victims.